Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over how to create a Lightning app within Salesforce. So Lightning apps, let me open this up, the app launcher real quick. And we can see that we have the different apps. We have service, marketing, community, commerce, bulk solutions, all these fun different things. I have a few different objects that are custom objects that I want to add into their own app. Specifically project and the project tasks objects. So then I can just have a landing page for like a project management system within Salesforce, have it be its own separate app and experience within Salesforce. A few things to note is I did create these objects before, they're related. They have tabs, so if you don't have a custom tab after creating the custom object, then you will not have the objects be visible to you. I know I've run into that issue before, so if you can see it here when you look under your all items when you're trying to create the app, then you do have a tab, but if you are like searching for it, or let's say employees, if I had an employees thing, if it showed up like this, blank, where I didn't have my employee object available, then I would need to go in and create that tab. I do have a video on it a couple videos ago, but I will try and link that in the description for you. Okay, let's actually jump into the setup and we will get into how to create this. So go into Quick Find and type in App Manager. Double click new Lightning app. It'll take us to a pop-up. This is what actually a screen flow would look like. If you are learning flows, this is pretty much almost exactly what a screen flow would look like. This is going to be the project management app. I'm not going to add a description. We can add an image if we'd like. I'm just going to have it be a fun color. I like green. Or it could be black. We can hit next. So now we can understand our different navigation styles. So it could be a standard or console. Personally, I like the standard rather than console. We can have this only be for desktop, only be for phone, or have it be for both. So the design of it will be responsive between either of them. If you were setting this up for field service, then you'd want it to only be phone. And I'm not sure if you'd ever want it to just be desktop. I like to have desktop and phone. Even if you're in a place where the users might not be using their phone a lot, it is still really helpful to have that available. All right, now we can choose if we go through the setup or the service setup. This is not a service type of app, so I'm going to keep this in the regular setup. And then we can allow users to personalize the end usage. And I'm going to have that be it. Click next. Then we add our utility items. So those are the things at the bottom navigation bar. We can have things like make a phone call or log a task, write a note. Let's see what different kinds of things we can add. We can add Tableau, recent items, a list view. I'm going to add notes because it's always helpful to have notes available whenever you're there. I'm going to hit next. And now here we can add our different objects and other things. So I'm going to add projects and project tasks. Other things that would be helpful are reporting. I personally just like reporting, as well as dashboards, available whenever and wherever. All right, now we go next. And now we choose the user profiles. So this is just a Trailhead org. So it's going to be different for the different org that you are in. Be sure to do research on which profiles that you want to add. I know for sure I want to add system admin so I can access that. I chose the marketing profile because I thought that was the most indicative of those that would have projects. So let's hit save. And finish. And Let's see if we can find our project management app. And it is right here. If I go back to the front end of Salesforce and I hit refresh, go to apps. Here you can see we have a project management app with our different objects that we have created. So that is how you create a Lightning app in Salesforce using the Lightning App Manager. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like. This is very similar to a lecture that I have in my admin training course. So if you would like to take that course, I will leave it down below, as well as with my other courses. Like, subscribe, do all those fun things, and I will catch you in the next one.